Okay, uh, here we have LeetCode problem 643, maximum average subarray. You're given an integer array of nums consisting of n elements and an integer k, and this is a fixed sliding window problem, which means the value k that they give you is the length of the subarray that we're going to look at in this problem. So find a contiguous subarray whose length is equal to k and has the maximum average value and return this value. So as we iterate through this array of numbers, we're going to have a sliding window of length k across the array. And the average of each array, we're going to take the maximum value and return it. So, oh, my mouse is bugging a little bit, still bugging. So first things first, we need to set a current value to basically sum up each subarray, or find the average of each subarray. So we'll do let our current, and then we're just going to loop through the length of k and just get the value of that first array so we can start our iteration process. So I'll do for I is less than k. So we'll do curve. Oh, nums I. Okay, so this current value now has the sum of the values in our length k of the array. So if k is, for this first problem, k is 4, so it would be the sum of the 1, 12, -5, and -6. And now we need to let's see, let average curve. Okay. So since we're returning the average, we need to find the average of the average of the product of the subarray that we're currently working with. So let average, our first average is going to be the current value that we just found divided by the length of the subarray, and that's how we get our average. And then we'll do let I equals k, I is nums delete. So now we're just going to iterate through the rest of the array, incrementing our right and left at the same time, so we have the same length of the array as k allows. So while we're looping through this, we'll see I've got my average here. I need to update our current with nums, let's see, nums I. So we are adding to the sum of the subarray with the new right value. So yeah, so we're adding to the sum of the current subarray that we're in by adding to the right value, and then we are going to subtract the farmost left value, which boots our subarray up 1. So in the way you get that firstmost value is I, so the current index that you're on, minus k, so the length. So you would end up with that first value. And once we have this, we can update our average, and the average is going to be the max between our current average and then the new average of the current subarray we are looping over. And this will loop through until the end of the array, and we will just return our answer. 915, oh, not return answer. Turn the average, and it looks like it works.